Hello, this is Bethany Reyes. Thank you so much for your purchase. I am so excited to share my tips with you on the proper application techniques so that you can achieve the best results. When you open your brand new mascara, you might have a lot of product on your wand. My suggestion is to knock off the excess product back into the tube to ensure that you get a smooth, even application and no clumps. The first tip I have for applying the 4D mascara is to warm it up. Every mascara works better once it's warmed up. One way you can do that is putting it in between your girls, or you can actually warm it up in a cup of warm water. Make sure the mascara is closed tightly and sit it into the cup of warm water for a few minutes, and then you're ready to apply it. The next step in the application is to use an eyelash curler. What you're going to do is open your eyelash curler, bring it close to your eyelid, but you don't want to bring it all the way to your skin, and then you're going to close on your lashes. You can actually do a few pumps with the lash curler, and this will help your lashes curl. If you want to see the results with your mascara, I highly suggest that you don't skip this step, because all of the amazing pictures you see are women that have curled their lashes so that their lashes are noticeable. If you don't curl your lashes, most likely they're going to go straight out and you won't be able to see the results that you want to see with them. Once you have knocked off the excess from your wand, you want to start at the base of your lashes and you want to wiggle and roll the mascara up. I highly suggest you start at the very base of your lashes, and that's going to give the most volume. I don't suggest doing a lot of wiggling because that will make your lashes stick together. What you really want to do is make sure that all of your lashes go through the wand. So one way you do that is by blinking as you roll it up. When you blink, and make sure that the product gets onto the tips of your lashes as well. Another suggestion is to apply the product directly to the tips of your lashes and blink through it. That is where you'll get most of the length. If you want to do another coat of your mascara, follow the same steps. You want to make sure that you knock off the excess. And what I highly suggest is focusing mainly on the tips of your lashes. Don't go back to the base because that's where it can make it look super clumpy. So focus on the tips and once again, blink through it. When you blink through it, I find that you get less product, and so that makes it apply easier. Now, another tip to make sure that your mascara lasts a very long time is you don't want to pump your mascara. When you pump your mascara, you're actually getting air into the tube, which will make it dry out quicker. Instead, what you want to do is twirl your mascara to get more product on the wand. If you have more oily eyelids, I suggest you apply a setting powder to your eyelids first before applying mascara. And also I suggest skipping out on applying the product onto your bottom lashes if you find that your eyelids get super oily throughout the day. That will make sure to prevent smudging or prevent the mascara from going underneath your eyes. Another great tip if you want your mascara to be waterproof is you can apply the 4D mascara first and then apply a waterproof mascara on top. Now, since you applied a regular mascara first, it will still be easier to remove at night, but it will allow the mascara to be more waterproof throughout the day. And that is the proper application of your 4D mascara. If you don't completely love it, or if you would like more tips on application, please send me a message. We have an amazing love it guarantee. If you would like more tutorials like this, make sure to follow me on Facebook, facebook.com/HelloTrueBeauty.